implemented on a very, I would frankly say, not professional level that they should be, because the infrastructure is there, the machinery is there, the building is there. There are a couple of hospitals who are just empty buildings. So it's very unfortunate to see them. So this is an area where we can, we would like to need your help for University of Health Sciences, how we can make those infrastructures into productive delivery service institutions. Number one. Okay, sir. The role of DHQ and role of health sciences in Gujranwala, you've done amazing job in Gujranwala during COVID. DHQ has done wonders. I have known my personal friends, personal family relatives who were admitted during COVID in DHQ, and they said, okay, let's move to Beria or Doctor's Hospital. Once they were moved out from DHQ and they were moved to Beria or Doctor's Hospital, they were literally crying to come back to Gujranwala. Please take us back somehow, because over there was just CCTV camera that was monitoring and there was just nursing staff over there. In Gujranwala, DHQ physical professional consultants were on job, on their toes, working day and night, working their heart out. So you've done an amazing job. I'm not saying that I'm over here, even in front of the CM, I appreciated this thing that DHQ did amazing. So it's very easy to point out, raise a finger that this is missing, this is missing. Of course, what funds are available, they will deliver in the best available funds. So we should understand what are the resources available to DHQ, what are the human resources available, what are the funds available. So in the given resources, given infrastructure, DHQ is doing amazing job in Gujranwala. We really appreciate for you this. Okay, Gujranwala Chamber, as business community, we've just thought of these things that we should not just be cribbing all the time, because if we just keep on looking to the government, they will give us a project 1 year, 2 years, 3 years down the lane. We don't know what is the roadmap for that. So, as business entrepreneurs, every service industry is a commercial business as well. If there is a road, it is a commercial business. Like, you can make money out of it, you can do public service, you can do good, earn good name to your city, and you can earn money out of it as well. So, in that context, Gujranwala had a dire need of a motorway link that was missing, because Gujranwala was, the reason for Gujranwala being developed so much was Gujranwala was on the main artery. People travelling from north to south, they just used to stop in Gujranwala, eat food and move ahead. So Gujranwala developed as a big industrial city. So when the motorway became it, we were bypassed. From M2 we were bypassed, from M11 we were bypassed. So recently we as Gujranwala Chamber took up this project with government that we will do a motorway link project on our self-finance basis, on a public-private partnership basis. We will entirely fund the project from our own resources. Government will just approve the project and we will do it. And it has a revenue model that we will, out of 8-10 years down the lane, we will get back all the money, no problem. It's a business community, we don't want to make money out of it, we just want that reasonable revenue should come and it should be. But the main purpose is that the problem of Gujranwala for the motorway linkage will be solved. Inshallah, that project got approved from CM during day before yesterday. He was in Gujranwala. It's a PPP project. We will submit an unsolicited proposal and it will be publicized and all that procedure will be done. Inshallah, in a couple of months' time, we shall be on the go. So similarly, we can take more projects on this format. So Gujranwala business community has a huge potential. Any health project can be done on this format. Sialkot is taking up a project with Al Shifa Hospital and they are doing a medical city, they're planning to build up a medical city. We can also similarly do a project like that. Maybe we can conceive an idea that we have a X facilities in Gujranwala and we can have it as a commercial model, and that commercial model can, of course, some of that portion can be charity operations as well. So this is an idea we would like to share with you. And other than that, University of Health Sciences and Gujranwala Medical College, you're doing an amazing job. Location for Gujranwala Medical College in Gujranwala, people don't appreciate it very much, but there's nothing that you have done about it. The government has allocated that land to you, so people of Gujranwala are not very much familiar to that location and all that. But with the passage of time, it will be, inshallah, popular and used. Common people will go to the facilities and take some benefit. So this is about it. So thank you very much for hosting me, and we really look forward to any ways we can collaborate with you, that we can make the infrastructure, the structures that are idle in Gujranwala into useful facilities, and any other project that like Sialkot is taking up, we can take up a commercial project with the business community, we can raise funds. Money is not a problem. It's only the idea we have to conceive, and it has to be some kind of model that can be delivered, and we need professional minds like you who can lead and guide us. Because building an infrastructure, we can spend money, but how can we invest into human resource? So that is the area we will definitely need your guidance. So Gujranwala community can raise funds, and we can get some land granted from the government, and we can build a big project on a commercial Chaukutkhana model. Some of 80% will be commercial, 20%, 70%, but whatever. We don't want to make revenue out of it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.